The iconic scene from The Matrix where Neo dodges bullets in slow motion was achieved using a technique called bullet time, which has become a staple of action movie storytelling. This technique was pioneered by the legendary special effects director, John Guida, who wanted to create a sense of timelessness and fluidity in the film's action sequences. Bullet time has since been used in numerous films and TV shows, including the Matrix sequels, The Bourne Identity, and Mission Impossible. So, how does it work? Imagine a camera system that can capture multiple frames per second, allowing the filmmakers to manipulate time and create the illusion of slow motion. It's like a combination of advanced camera technology and clever editing, which enables the audience to see the action unfold in a way that's both thrilling and mesmerizing. But that's not the strangest part. The bullet time effect was achieved using a combination of 90 cameras, each capturing 24 frames per second. The footage was then edited together using a system called bullet time software, which allowed the filmmakers to manipulate the frames and create the desired effect. Wait until you hear what comes next. The bullet time technique has been used in various forms of media, including video games and even music videos. And then something unexpected happened. The technique was adapted for use in live-action TV shows, such as The Walking Dead and Game of Thrones. For example, in The Walking Dead, the show's creators used bullet time to capture the intense action sequences, such as the characters running from zombies. This phenomenon occurs when the audience is fully immersed in the story, and the action unfolds in a way that's both thrilling and unpredictable. It's a testament to the power of storytelling and the ability of filmmakers to push the boundaries of what's possible. The impact of bullet time on the film industry has been significant, inspiring a new generation of filmmakers to experiment with innovative techniques. For instance, the Fast and Furious franchise has become known for its high-octane action sequences, which often feature bullet time effects. The use of bullet time has also led to the development of new technologies, such as high-speed cameras and advanced editing software. As a result, the boundaries between reality and fiction have become increasingly blurred, creating a more immersive experience for the audience. But that's not all. The bullet time effect has also influenced the world of fashion and advertising, with designers and marketers using the technique to create stunning visuals. And let's not forget the impact on the gaming industry. Bullet time has become a staple of action games, such as The Matrix, Path of Neo, and Max Payne. The influence of bullet time can be seen in various forms of media, from music videos to live-action TV shows and even fashion campaigns. The use of bullet time has become synonymous with high-octane action and thrilling storytelling, captivating audiences worldwide. So, filmmaking. What endless? Filmmaking and filmmakers will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, using innovative techniques like bullet time. The real-world consequences of bullet time are evident in the way it has transformed the film industry and inspired a new generation of creators. The impact on the audience is also significant, as they are now accustomed to seeing high-octane action sequences that are both thrilling and immersive. And that's what makes storytelling so powerful, the ability to captivate and engage audiences in a way that's both memorable and impactful. In conclusion, bullet time has become an iconic technique in the world of filmmaking, inspiring a new generation of creators and captivating audiences worldwide. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. And don't forget to like and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the power of storytelling and the impact of bullet time on the film industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.